Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll talk about the 7 unique services offered by Oppo and ColorOS during the lockdown. So we all know that India and to be more precise, world is going through a lockdown, and this is the time where Oppo is offering some unique services to support the customers and also to keep you entertained. So we're going to talk about some of the best features which you can try out during lockdown, and also some of the services Oppo is offering which are unique actually. So what are those features? That's what we are going to check in this video. So let's get started. So the ColorOS 7 has been the new version of the ColorOS, and there are lots of features to try out. First of the features is the focus mode. So if you swipe from the notification toggles, you can see that there is an option called focus mode, or you can also go with the modes option. So once you select focus mode, what it does is it pauses distracting apps when you need time to focus. So since it's lockdown, most of us are working from home. In fact, a lot of us are actually working from home. So if you're working from home and you are not able to concentrate because of the distracting apps like social media apps, YouTube and other apps which are not able to give you concentration to your work, what you can do is you can select all the distracting apps here. So basically you can select all the social media apps and other apps which you feel are distracting, and then turn on the focus mode. So what it does is you can actually schedule a focus mode, which means from this time to this time, the particular time frame, you can schedule a focus mode, or you can just select apps which you want to enable in the focus mode. For example, we'll just select a couple of apps, for example Facebook, then few apps we have selected, and turn on the focus mode. Now once you turn down, you can see the notification here, focus mode is on, distracting apps are paused. So if you go to Facebook, which is now selected as the apps was distracting, and you can see that Facebook and other distracting apps are right now paused. To make changes, go to the settings. So this means that whenever you turn on the focus mode with all these apps, they will not be shown, and you will have more time to focus on your work. So that's the first option. Then second option is the relax mode. So Oppo has a relax app, so you can download the Oppo relax apps from the app market, and what it does is it actually helps you to relax a bit if you are feeling stressed out. You can see that this relax app allows you to listen to comforting sounds to relax your body and mind, helps you breathe better, sleep better, and stay more focused. So you can see a couple of options. One is breathing. You can start the breathing exercise here with a full relaxation. Then you can go to music. A lot of music is there, some soothing music is there, ambient sounds are there. All these helps you to relax in case you are feeling stressed out during the lockdown. So that's another useful feature. You can go ahead and download the Oppo Relax app from the App Store. Now one of the other features to try out during the lockdown is the split screen. This is more useful if you are working with your smartphone, because a lot of people do work from the smartphone, or rather use the smartphone as a part of work. So if you want multitasking, split screen is one of the really good options. So if you go to the any app and just swipe, 3-finger swipe to the top, you can see that now we can see the split screen is in action. So right now I can just open one more app. So right now I have opened the Chrome browser. So you can see that right now I'm doing multitasking. The top portion is the Play Store, and the bottom section is the Chrome browser. So you can just swipe up and down to increase or decrease the size, and once you're done, you can just swipe up and the window will be closed. So split screen allows you to multitask. This is particularly useful if you're working from home more with your smartphone. Now next app is the Soloop app. So what this app does is it's an app which allows you to edit videos. So now you might be knowing that a lot of users have gone for vlogging. Since it's lockdown time, many are vlogging their experiences during lockdown, and many other things. So if you're more into vlogging, you can go to the Soloop app, and then what you can do is we'll just open the app, and then we'll just show you what all features it offers. So this is the Soloop app, and what it does is you can select your videos, images, and you can see there are lots of things to add. Some smart templates are there. You can trim your video, filter your video, add filters to your video, subtitle, then music you can add, then a lot of things you can do. It's basically video editor which allows you to do some interesting vlogs from your Oppo smartphone. So this is something really useful. You can just go ahead and create your own video with all these things using the Soloop app. Now another feature is the gaming assistant. So gaming assistant is available in the settings panel. If you go here, there is an option called gaming assistant, and what it does is, actually once you are enabled, we'll just show you. We'll open a game and just show you how this works. So if you're more into gaming during lockdown period, you can see that gaming assistant helps you in doing better gaming. So if you just swipe from the corner, you can see this comes up. This is the the gaming assistant. You can see that you get a better gaming experience by blocking notifications. You can take screenshot or even record your games, and you can see that other options are also there, including the battery monitoring and network strength, the CPU usage. All those things you can manage with the game assistant. So this is one thing which is quite useful for gamers. Then you also have the game assistant option available, the gaming space. You can see that this also helps in better gaming. So this is another feature, and the gaming center is also there. You can have a better experience of the games. So these are things available if you are a gamer and if you are playing a lot of games during lockdown. Now these are the 5 features of the ColorOS 7. Now apart from that, Oppo is also extending customer support through online services. These are some really features which others may not be offering. One of them is the new chatbot called Oli, which was launched in March 2020. It's exclusively available on WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. Oli has been supporting the users to resolve queries pertaining to Oppo smartphone on real-time basis. Oppo is the only smartphone brand in India to come up with this AI-powered chatbot to serve consumers by delivering phenomenal customer services and experience. In fact, this chatbot can be accessed on WhatsApp by saving the number which is shown right now below, or you can also simply message on the handle Oppo Care on Facebook in the Messenger. Both of them work. So most of us use WhatsApp as primary option to send messages. So if you have WhatsApp, you can use this number and you can send messages with any help you require for Oppo smartphone. So the chatbot Oli is one of these unique features offered by Oppo in India. And apart from that, since Oppo service centers are not functional because of the lockdown, they are extended all the warranty of all the Oppo smartphones till May 31st. So in case your warranty expires and if you have any issues, you don't have to worry at all. Oppo smartphones are covered under warranty till 31st of May 2020. So these are some unique features offered by Oppo and ColorOS to work during lockdown. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.